one thing to do now. It's like a rip and tear situation. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a quick teardown just to see how this thing looks in the inside. I really love to do these teardowns. So when it comes to the quality of the emulation, it's the same story with a lot of these like cheap handhelds. Take consideration is that they are like really cheap to the cheap, and overall it's going to be not great. And that's what you're going to see. Screen tearing. The audio quality was not super bad because most of the handhelds also have the issue of the audio. Don't know what's going on with this. Is there a screw in here or what is it? There is an hole, but there is no screw. No, there is no screw at all. Okay, that is weird. Did I got them all? No, I didn't get them all. Wicked, there is a screw on your screwdriver. That's the last one that we need to open up. Just to see what is inside. What is inside. Let's remove the battery. And let's see if we can click it open. There are some... Oh, there is a screw here. Oh, we're going to get an hidden screw. You naughty Chinese. Try to fool the wicked. Okay, so this is the top piece of plastic. Very thick. Hard plastic. The on-off switch, don't need to lose that one, otherwise I have a problem. Okay, so let's put all of these screws together. Then we're going to get the main PCB. Kind of interesting one. Like this is like it's more like in glossy at the back. So it's something you don't see very often. Alright, so let's remove this single marker. Yep, that is. And this is what you're going to get in the inside. Then we're going to get the display itself. Alright. So they are using a combination of different kind of rubbers when you're looking at this. Here we're going to get the transparent membrane over there, and then we're going to get the other membranes. These are like a weird combination. You can see like here we're going to get actually like a better close-up view of the, let's say, deep head, what it needs to be. It's like a round button with basically 4 separate membranes like the good ones. Let's take a close look at the main board itself. Okay, so it's of course like that's on the chip. Here we're going to get the chip itself. They didn't stand it off. They did some weird thing on it, so you cannot really read what kind of chip it is. Then we're going to get the LCD. Then of course we're going to get the black blob, the micro switch here for the reset. But that's interesting when you're looking at both of the contacts over here. Here you can see like they put something in the middle to give it more like a D-pad feeling. Otherwise it feels like you don't have a middle point of the D-pad. So when you're looking at this, it's quite interesting, and of course made very cheap. But here you can see the date of production says 2021, so it is quite a new piece of technology. That was also like the question, when you're buying like an 8-bit handheld, is it new or is it like old stock?